Welcome back to Cooking with Rod, where today we're bringing a little bit of tropical sunshine right into your kitchen with a pineapple rum punch pitcher that's perfect for parties, summer cookouts, backyard gatherings, or anytime you want a bright and refreshing drink that serves a crowd. This punch is about bold tropical flavor and vibrant color. We're combining pineapple juice, orange juice, fresh lime juice, white rum, and dark rum. Then finishing it with a splash of lemon lime soda for a little sparkle. What really makes this drink stand out is the beautifully layered effect created by the grenadine settling to the bottom of the pitcher, giving the drink that signature sunset gradient from deep red to golden yellow. The best part about pitcher cocktails like this is how easy they are to make. Instead of mixing individual drinks one at a time, everything comes together in one large pitcher, so you can spend more time enjoying the moment and less time playing bartender. It's ideal for holidays, barbecues, beach days, or casual evenings with friends. You'll also notice this recipe includes options for make-ahead chilling, freezer slush preparation, and refreshing leftovers, which makes it incredibly flexible for entertaining. Whether you serve it right away over ice, let it chill for a deeper flavor, or turn it into a frozen tropical slush. This punch adapts perfectly to whatever kind of gathering you're hosting. The fresh fruit garnishes bring both flavor and presentation to the table. Pineapple wedges, orange slices, maraschino cherries, and mint sprigs give each glass that classic tropical punch look while adding brightness, aroma, and makes every sip even more refreshing. So grab a large pitcher, gather your ingredients, and let's start building this colorful tropical cocktail that's guaranteed to be a crowd favorite. Let's make a pineapple rum punch pitcher. Start by gathering all of the ingredients and placing them on the countertop so everything is organized before the mixing begins. This includes the white rum, dark rum, pineapple juice, orange juice, lime juice, grenadine, lemon lime soda, fresh fruit garnishes, mint, and ice. Having everything ready keeps the preparation smooth and ensures nothing is forgotten. Slice a fresh orange into thin rounds. These slices will be used later as garnishes and will also add a bright citrus aroma to the finished drink. Cut fresh pineapple into small chunks or wedges. Pineapple pieces add texture, tropical flavor, and vibrant color when placed in the serving glasses. Slice a lime into thin wheels or wedges. Lime provides acidity and balances the sweetness of the punch. Rinse the mint leaf sprigs and gently pat them dry. Fresh mint adds a refreshing aroma and a bright finishing touch to the cocktail. Measure 2 cups of white rum into a measuring cup. White rum forms the smooth, light base of the punch. Measure 1 cup of dark rum into a measuring cup. Dark rum contributes deeper flavor notes and a richer rum character. Measure 3 cups of pineapple juice. This will provide the primary tropical flavor of the punch. Measure 1 cup of orange juice, which adds sweetness and additional citrus balance. Measure half a cup of fresh lime juice. The acidity from the lime helps keep the drink refreshing instead of overly sweet. Measure 3/4 of a cup of grenadine. This syrup adds sweetness and will create a signature red color gradient in the pitcher. Measure 2 cups of lemon lime soda and set it aside for later so the carbonation stays lively. Wow, who has this many measuring cups? Prepare 3 cups of ice so it's ready when the punch is assembled. Pour the measured white rum from the measuring cup into a large glass pitcher to begin forming the punch base. Pour the measured dark rum into the pitcher, combining it with the white rum to create layered rum flavor. Pour the pineapple juice into the pitcher, introducing the bright tropical base of the drink. Add the orange juice to enhance the citrus profile and bring additional sweetness to the mixture. Pour in the lime juice to provide acidity and balance the sweetness of the fruit juices. Using a long spoon, stir gently so the rum and the juices blend together into a smooth punch base. Slowly pour the grenadine down the inside edge of the pitcher. Because it is heavier than the other liquids, it will sink and create a beautiful layered color effect. Add the prepared ice to the pitcher to chill the punch and slightly dilute the mixture for a smoother drinking. Pour the lemon lime soda into the pitcher to add carbonation and a light sparkling finish. Give the punch a gentle final stir to combine the ingredients without fully blending the color gradient. Fill each serving glass with fresh ice so the drink stays cold. Carefully pour the punch from the pitcher into the ice-filled glasses. Add a few pineapple chunks or wedges to each glass for flavor and presentation. Place an orange slice on the rim or inside the glass. Add a maraschino cherry to each drink. Finish each glass with a fresh mint sprig for aroma and visual appeal. For storage, cover the pitcher with plastic wrap if preparing the punch ahead of time. Place the pitcher in the refrigerator to chill the punch base. When you're ready, remove the pitcher from the refrigerator and stir the mixture before serving. Transfer the punch base into a freezer-safe container if preparing the frozen version. Place the container in the freezer until the mixture becomes partially frozen. When you're ready, use a fork to scrape the frozen mixture and create a slushy texture. Scoop the slush into glasses and add a small splash of lemon lime soda. Take the punch out of the fridge when ready to serve again. Add fresh ice to the pitcher to bring the punch back to serving temperature. Add a fresh splash of lemon lime soda to restore carbonation. Stir the punch gently so everything blends evenly. Pour the refreshed drink into clean glasses filled with ice. Add fresh pineapple, orange slices, cherries, and mint. Serve immediately and enjoy the refreshed tropical punch. Pineapple Rum Punch is one of those classic tropical drinks that works perfectly in a large pitcher format, making it ideal for entertaining. The key to a great punch like this is balancing sweetness, citrus acidity, rum depth, and carbonation so the drink stays refreshing rather than overly sugary. When those elements are balanced properly, you get a cocktail that is bright, smooth, and incredibly easy to drink. One of the most important flavor elements in this punch is pineapple juice. Pineapple naturally brings both sweetness and acidity, which makes it one of the best base juices for rum cocktails. It pairs beautifully with rum because both share tropical flavor notes. Using 100% pineapple juice rather than a sugary cocktail mix will keep the drink tasting clean and fresh. The combination of white and dark rum is another key component. White rum provides a lighter, cleaner alcohol base that blends easily with fruit juices. Dark rum adds depth, subtle molasses notes, and a little warmth that prevents the punch from tasting flat. Using both together create a layered rum flavor that gives the drink more complexity. Fresh lime juice plays an essential role in balancing the sweetness from the pineapple juice and the grenadine. Citrus acidity cuts through sugar and brightens the entire drink. Without that citrus component, tropical punches can quickly become overly sweet and heavy. Even a small amount of lime juice helps keep the drink crisp and refreshing. Grenadine serves two purposes in this punch. First, it adds a gentle pomegranate sweetness that complements the fruit juices. Second, because grenadine is heavier than the other liquids, it naturally sinks towards the bottom of the pitcher, creating the beautiful sunset gradient effect that makes this tropical punch visually striking. Pouring the grenadine slowly down the side of the pitcher helps maintain the layered appearance. The final ingredient, lemon lime soda, is added near the end to introduce carbonation. This light fizz makes the drink feel brighter and easier to sip. It also helps lighten the texture of the punch so it doesn't feel heavy when served over ice. Always add soda last to preserve the bubbles. When preparing this punch for gatherings, it's often best to mix the rum and juices ahead of time and refrigerate the base mixture. This allows the flavors to blend together and keeps the punch cold before serving. Ice and soda should be added right before serving so the drink stays lively and doesn't become diluted too quickly. Garnishes are more than decoration in a drink like this. Pineapple wedges, orange slices, maraschino cherries, and mint sprigs add aroma and color that enhance the drinking experience. Citrus oils from the orange peel and the fresh scent of mint make each sip feel brighter and more refreshing. For larger pitchers, you can easily double or triple this recipe while maintaining the same ingredient ratio. This flexibility makes pitcher cocktails like this perfect for barbecues, holiday gatherings, and casual get-togethers where guests can serve themselves. There are also several variations you can try depending on the flavor profile you prefer. Substitute part of the white rum with coconut rum for a stronger tropical character. Add a splash of mango or passion fruit juice for additional fruit complexity. Replace the lemon lime soda with sparkling pineapple water for a fruit-forward twist. Freeze some of the punch mixture into flavored ice cubes so the drink never becomes watered down. Another fun option is to transform the punch into a frozen slush version. By freezing the base mixture and scraping it into a slushy texture before serving, this variation is perfect for very warm weather and adds a fun texture to the drink. Overall, Pineapple Rum Punch is a fantastic example of how simple a combination of ingredients can create a drink that looks beautiful, tastes refreshing, and serves the crowd effortlessly. It's color, tropical, and incredibly easy to customize depending on your preferences. Whether served at a backyard party, summer cookout, beach gathering, or holiday celebration, this punch is guaranteed to bring a little bit of tropical flavor to the table. And there you have it, a bright, colorful, and refreshing pineapple rum punch pitcher that's perfect for sharing with friends and family. This is the kind of drink that instantly brings a tropical vibe to any table. With its beautiful sunset colors, fresh fruit garnishes, and balanced combination of rum and citrus, it's a cocktail that looks impressive but is incredibly simple to make. One of the best things about pitcher cocktails like this is how easy they make entertaining. Instead of mixing drinks one at a time, everything comes together in one large batch so you can spend less time behind the counter and more time enjoying the moment. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue, celebrating a holiday, or relaxing on a warm summer evening, this punch keeps the drinks flowing without extra work. The flavor profile in this punch is what really makes it stand out. The pineapple juice brings bold tropical sweetness, The orange and lime juice adds bright citrus balance, and the combination of white rum and dark rum gives the drink depth and character. The splash of lemon lime soda adds a light sparkle that makes the punch refreshing and easy to sip. Then there's the visual appeal. The grenadine creates that beautiful layered sunset effect, turning the pitcher into a centerpiece that looks just as good as it tastes. Add in the colorful garnishes like pineapple wedges, orange slices, cherries, and mint, and you've got a drink that instantly feels festive and inviting. Another great thing about this recipe is how flexible it is. You can prepare the base mixture ahead of time and keep it chilled until the guests arrive. You can turn it into a frozen slush version for hot summer days, or you can easily scale this recipe to serve larger gatherings without changing the flavor balance. If you're looking for a cocktail that's easy to make, visually stunning, and guaranteed to please a crowd, this Pineapple Rum Punch is the perfect choice. It's tropical, it's refreshing, and full of vibrant flavor in every glass. Thanks for joining me today behind the bar here on Cooking with Rod. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to stick around because there are plenty more cocktails, pitcher drinks, and party-ready recipes coming your way. Until next time, keep cooking, keep mixing, and keep enjoying great food and drinks with the people around you. Cheers!